Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change button fade out delay. You have to start by opening HEOS application, go into Settings, My Devices, and choose your device, and Touch Controls. And the second slider, you can move it to the right or to the left, to longer it or shorter. And here we go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It really helped to us. See you later!